So today we are making what are we making?
Sammy.
Okay, we are not making actually a chow mein. It's a pasta. We have this one, the elbow. We got it from Walmart, and for that we are getting sunflower oil, salt, pepper. Yes. This is an onion,
Onion powder.
basil leaf, oregano, and a garlic powder. Then we have for seasoning we have another soy sauce, and we have
Ketchup.
ketchup. Yes, that's right. So the water is boiling. What we put inside the water? No, the salt. A tablespoon of salt. Yes. For taste. Okay. Okay, we don't need that one. Put it back. Yes. You ready?
Yes.
Okay. So we're taking one big garlic here. Okay. And what we are going to do? Don't stop. Don't click that one. Wait, it's recording. Okay. So we are chopping. No, don't stop. Don't point here to the garlic. Okay. Yeah, we just need a clove of garlic. That's all. Thank you. Show me. Okay. So now we are putting pasta into the boiling water. Are you ready? Okay. We are taking about a cup and a half. Okay. And we're gonna boil it for how many minutes?
7 minutes.
Yes, 7 minutes. So let's put it here. Okay, so now it's done for 7 minutes, and now we're gonna drain. Okay, here we go. Drain. Yes, that's it. Okay, we're done now. You can stop it. Okay, so now the pan is heat. So you put the oil. I'm using a sunflower oil, okay? Sunflower. Yeah, not much. 2 tablespoons of oil. There you go. And after that, when the oil is gonna get heat, you're gonna put what? Onion. Sorry, not onions, it's a garlic. Okay, we're going to put the garlic here. Okay, so let the garlic get little golden brown. Then we're going to put our pasta. You can stop it. Now the garlic is little brown. So let's put our pasta. Yeah. Now make the heat medium. Okay. Okay. So now we're going to put the salt, not much, just a half a tablespoon. Okay. Then we're going to put the onion powder, not much, just for the taste. Then we're going to put the garlic powder. We already have the garlic, so we don't want much of the garlic powder. Then we're going to put the oregano. Yeah. You got it, right? Yeah, okay. We're going to put a little bit of oregano. And we have the basil here. We're going to put a little bit of basil. Then we're going to put the pepper, black pepper. Not much, just little. But we are making it for Ayaan. He doesn't eat much of the spicy, just for the taste, okay? Yeah. Now just mix it up for a minute. Okay. You can stop there. Now we are putting some green peas for the taste, okay? And green peas. Not much, just a little bit of green peas. And then let's nearly done now. Only two things left. Don't shake it, Baba. Don't shake the camera. You're taking? No. Okay. That's it. Now let's put the soy sauce. Here you go. It's a regular soy sauce, not the dark one, not the light one. It's the medium soy sauce. So let's put the soy sauce. Here you go. Okay. This is all done. Now you can put the flame in the high flame again. You still recording? Good. Good. Okay. Now it's almost ready. But the last thing we're gonna do. Yes, the last thing we're gonna do is we're gonna put the ketchup. Okay? Yeah. You can use the tomato puree if you like. But I'm using the ketchup boy here. You love? You love? What do you love? You love ketchup, right? You love ketchup, right? Yeah. Okay. Now mix it up for a minute or so. There we go. Come on, show it here. No, the camera. Yes. Yes. Now it's ready. Okay. Thank you. Thank you all of you who are watching this video. Come on, show it. Okay. And if you like the video, or you want me and my boy to make other videos, please like and subscribe. Thank you. Say thank you. Okay. Bye bye. Say bye bye.